Hello and welcome. Today, for my first video, I'm going to be clearing off all the snow off my truck. I'm going to see if we can get her going. Well, so far I've got quite a bit of snow taken off this thing. As you can see, the snow is quite solid, with a nice layer of ice underneath. So it's going to take a while to get the entire thing cleared off. Now I've got most of the ice out of the back of this thing. As you can see, there's some pretty big chunks in there. And now I'm just letting whatever water that was in there drain. And then undoing the ropes, I noticed that I was leaking transmission fluid. Lovely. So this is my 81 Ram. That I bought, painted, put some nice rims and wheels on. Let's see if I can get her going. She is cold. Does not like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to prime the pump a little. Pour a little gas down the carburetor. That should help. And my battery just died. Good thing I have an extra. And she lives! So there it is. That's a 360 with a Wolverine racing cam. And so that is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment below. I won't be doing too many videos on the truck, at least until spring, as we still use salt on our roads here. I don't want to ruin the paint job. So, that's it for today. Please subscribe, and thank you. Bye.